Understanding Publication Ethics, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects writers, researchers, and anyone involved in creating and sharing knowledge: publication ethics. Understanding this concept is crucial. Whether you're reading academic papers, writing articles, or just curious about how information is responsibly shared. So, let's get started and explore the essential principles of publication ethics together. Publication ethics refer to the moral guidelines and standards that govern the process of sharing knowledge and information in a truthful, fair, and respectful manner. These ethics ensure that the works published are original, the information is accurate, and the contributions of others are properly acknowledged. In essence, it's about maintaining the integrity of the information shared with the public and within the academic community. There are several core principles that underpin publication ethics. Let's break them down. Originality and plagiarism. The heart of ethical publishing is originality. Every work should be the author's own creation, and if other sources are used, they must be properly cited and acknowledged. Plagiarism, or using someone else's work without permission or proper citation, is a serious violation of publication ethics. Accuracy and reliability. Information published should be accurate and reliable. Authors are responsible for verifying the facts and data in their work, ensuring that their research findings and statements are supported by evidence. Fairness and objectivity. Publications should be fair and objective. This means avoiding bias, discrimination, and conflicts of interest. Authors should present their research and arguments based on fair, unbiased evaluation of the evidence. Transparency and accountability. Authors should be transparent about the sources of their data and be willing to share their findings openly. They should also be accountable for their work, ready to correct mistakes and clarify any misunderstandings. Editors and peer reviewers play a critical role in maintaining publication ethics. They are responsible for evaluating submissions fairly based on their intellectual content, without discrimination, ensuring the confidentiality of submitted manuscripts, being vigilant about potential ethical issues, such as plagiarism and conflict of interest, encouraging transparency and correcting errors when they are identified. Violating publication ethics can have serious consequences, including the retraction of published work, damage to the author's reputation, and loss of trust from the community. It's essential for everyone involved in the publication process to adhere to these ethical standards to preserve the integrity of scholarly communication. That's a wrap on our exploration of publication ethics. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of ethical standards in publishing and why they matter to everyone, from authors to readers. Remember, ethical publishing is about ensuring that the information we share and consume is trustworthy, accurate, and respectful of the contributions of others. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay curious, and keep learning.